Black Witch Repair Kit. Large holes in neoprene equipment can be difficult to repair. Use the Black Witch Repair Kit to patch these holes and keep the gear functional. The kit comes with different sizes of patches made of neoprene, Black Witch Neoprene Cement, and tools for its application. Before applying the neoprene cement, trim off any excess fabric around the hole. Then cut the matching patch to size. Alternatively, expand the hole to the size of the patch. To stop the neoprene from sticking to itself, a plastic layer can be inserted behind the hole. Use the included brush to apply Black Witch to both the edges of the hole and the patch. After waiting 5 minutes for the glue to partially cure, the edges can be pressed together. For cuts or small holes, apply Black Witch to both the patch and around the tear. Wait 5 minutes and press them together. After about 90 minutes, the items can be used again. Within 24 hours, the glue is fully cured. Use the Black Witch Repair Kit for swift and durable repairs on all of your neoprene equipment, waders, accessories, or wetsuits.